Hello, everyone. Okay, we're going to do our spelling test. This is for Miss Rizzy's group. We're going to be practicing some of the spelling words that you've been working on with Miss Rizzy today. So I want you to start with putting your name on the line and then your number here. And I want you to put the date. The date might be, I want you to check. It might be May 8th. Of 24. But just check the date and write the date that your teacher has on the board today. Okay. All right. The other thing I want you to do is I want you to cover, after you're done writing, I want you to cover your words as much as you can. You might have a cover paper like this. Okay. Okay, you can slow down. If I'm going too fast, you can slow down or you can pause it until you're ready. But I want you to focus on keeping your pencil moving. Okay, so you finish. Okay, number 1, I want you to write the word black. Black. And then I want you to cover it when you're done. Number 1, black. And I want you to think about all of the sounds and fingerspell if it helps. Black. And remember, when these words have blends, you can hear all of the sounds. Black. Number 2, write the word frog. Frog. A frog might go swimming. Frog. Write the word frog. Okay, cover your words as you go. Number 3, spot. 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 Okay, go to number 4 when you're ready. Slip. Slip. Be careful not to slip. Number 4 should say slip. Number 5, tent. Tent. If you go camping, you can bring a tent. Tent. Okay. All right, cover up. When you're done with tent, we're going to go to number 6. Number 6, we have a blend at the beginning and the end. Stand. Stand. We sit or we stand. Stand. Okay, cover it if you can. It's okay if your paper doesn't cover all of it. Number 7, keep that pencil moving. Trunk. Trunk. Unk is a slide. If you remember, we go like this with the slide. So unk. Trunk is number 7. A tree has a trunk. An elephant has a trunk. An old treasure chest could have been called a trunk. Trunk. Number 8, wing. Wing. A bird has 2 wings, but you just need to write the word wing. Wing. It's another slide. Wing. All right, number 9 is a red word. You just have to remember it. You can't hear all the sounds. There's a letter that doesn't follow the rule. Number 9 should say want. Want. I want you to remember how to spell want. Want. Just have to remember what it looks like. Number 10 is also a red word. There's a letter that doesn't follow the rule. What? 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 And what is a question word? You could say, what time is it? What? All right. So when you're done with your words, you can continue with number 1. And I want you to keep that pencil moving. Okay? Now, every sentence needs something at the beginning and the end. And you're almost a second grader, so I want you to remember how to make your sentences look on the paper. Okay, first sentence, please write the frog. Don't forget your finger spaces. And if you get to the end, you can use the next line. I'm going to put a dot where the word the goes. The frog. The frog and the frog and next word, crab. Crab. The frog and crab. I'm going to go to the next line. If you're out of room, you can come down here. Went. Went. Make sure it doesn't say wet. Went. Get all of the sounds. You can hear all the sounds in that word. The frog and crab went on a trip. And that's the end of the sentence. So don't forget what goes at the beginning and end. Make sure you have all the words. The frog and crab went on a trip. And now we're doing number 2. Stay focused. All right. We're going to start with the, again, the. The. You go next to the number 2. The red the red sled the red sled, sled. Will, will. Fizzles, will. Okay, I'm going to go to the new line. You might be out of room. The next word after will is slip, slip. Slip. On, on that. That. Last word, spot, spot. The red sled will slip on that spot. And that's the end of the sentence. Don't forget what goes at the beginning and the end. Okay, both of these sentences have 8 words. We're going to do one more sentence. And then you're done. Okay, one more sentence. This sentence is about a nest. Okay, start with the word set. Set. The set the pink. Pink. Try to remember how to spell the ink family. Pink. The pink set the pink nest. Can you imagine a pink nest? Set the pink nest. Set the pink nest. It's an end blend. In, can go to the next line. In the black in the black trunk. So this kind of trunk is like a chest, a treasure chest. Trunk. Set the pink nest in the black trunk. Don't forget what goes at the beginning and end of each sentence. Okay, make sure your name is on it. and then follow your teacher's directions on what to do with your spelling test when it's done. Your teacher may have asked you to put it in a certain place, okay? Okay, thank you. I hope you worked hard. I know you have been working hard in class and with Mrs. Rizzi every single week. Looking forward to seeing all the words you spelled correctly. Thank you. I'll see you next time.